Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to guide you through a simple step-by-step process on how to add an admin to your ActiveCampaign account. Whether you're expanding your team or bringing in a collaborator, this guide will help you get it done quickly and easily. Let's jump right in. First, log into your ActiveCampaign account. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry. There's a link in the description below where you can sign up for a free trial. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your dashboard. To add an admin, start by navigating to the settings. You'll find the settings icon, which looks like a little gear, in the lower left-hand corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on that to open the settings menu. Next, click on the Users and Groups tab. This is your hub for managing all users in your ActiveCampaign account, including adding new users and assigning different roles. To add a new admin, click the Add User button at the top right corner of the Users and Groups page, prompting you to enter the new user's details. Now, fill in the new admin's information. You'll need to enter their first name, last name, and email address. Make sure the email address is correct, as this is where the invitation to join your ActiveCampaign account will be sent. Next, it's time to assign the admin role. Under the user details, you'll see a section labeled Permissions. Click on the drop-down menu and select Admin to give them full access to your ActiveCampaign account. This will enable them to manage settings, view all contacts, and create campaigns. And there you have it. You've successfully added a new admin to your ActiveCampaign account.
And there you have it. You've successfully added a new admin to your ActiveCampaign account, and find our free email list building course in the description below. See how my team and I earned $3,493 in commissions while building our list. Don't miss this free opportunity. Check it out today. We hope you found this video useful. Please like and subscribe to our channel, and make sure to stay tuned for our next exciting video.